Hi, let's discuss GNF. GNF stands for Greivak normal form. The grammar is said to be GNF if every production is in the form of B tends to terminal, then variable clean closure. It should be one terminal followed by any number of variable. Let's see one example. S tends to ASB or epsilon. Before doing CNF and GNF, it should be free from null production. So first we'll remove epsilon. Just remove the null production. After removal of null production, it will be S tends to ASB or AB. In place of S, we just substitute epsilon. So we got AB. Now this is free from null production. Let's write the GNF for this. In case of GNF, one terminal should be followed by any number of variables. Here you can see there is a terminal. So you don't need to change that. Then SB. So for this B, we'll consider one variable. Here we don't need to change A. For B, we'll consider one variable. So from S, we will derive ASB or AB. Here one terminal is given followed by two variable. Here one terminal is given followed by two variable. So now in place of B, terminal B, we just write variable B. So we'll write B tends to B. Okay, now this is a GNF for this grammar. GNF is easier than CNF. I discussed same grammar for finding CNF. You can compare the CNF and GNF. Let's see another example. S tends to ASA or BSB or epsilon. Here you can see there is a null production. First step you need to remove the null production. After removal of null production it will be ASA or BSB or AA or BB. After putting epsilon in place of S we are getting AA or BB. Now this is free from null production. Let's find the GNF for this. You can see here this is start with terminal, here this is start with terminal, here is one terminal, here is one terminal. So in place of this A, we'll just take one variable. In place of this B, we'll just take one variable. And in place of A, we'll write one variable. In place of B, we'll write one variable. So from S, we'll derive ASA, BSB, then AA or BB. So this A is for small a, this B is for terminal B, this A is for terminal A, this B is for this terminal B, then this A is for this terminal A, this B is for this terminal B. So next step we'll just derive from A, we'll derive terminal A, from variable B, we'll derive terminal B. That's it. This is a GNF for this grammar. Let's see another example. Here S tends to ASA or BB, A tends to BBA or BA or A, B tends to AB or B. Now you can mark here it is start with variable, but it should be start with terminal, then only you can convert to GNF. So what we will do, just check what is the production of B. B derive AB or B. So this part will substitute in place of this B, that it should be start with terminal. So now replace B with its production. So after replace it will be S tends to ASA or AB, as B is deriving AB or B. So ABB and BB. Then from A will derive BBA or BA or A. From B will derive AB or B. Now you can mark every production it is start with terminal. Next we will find GNF for this. So from S we will derive ASX, ABY or BY. So this X is for this A, then this Y is for this B, this Y is for this B. And rest it is start with terminal, and there is also one variable. Here S was given, so just write S. Here B was given, you just write B. We just consider X for A and Y for B. So let me first write X tends to A and Y tends to B. Next I'll do for this production. Here it is start with terminal. So just need to write a variable for this A. So A already assigned X, so just write X here. That's it. So A will derive BBX. This X is for this A, then BA or A. Next, B production, it is already in GNF format. Here it is start with terminal followed by variable. Here it is just terminal. Just write simply B tends to AB or B. Let's say another example. H tends to AA or BB. A tends to BAA or B tends to BB or A. In previous example, B production was in right linear format, so you just replace it. But here that B production is a left recursive. When you replace B production here, you will get a left recursive grammar. Means a variable will be at left side, so you cannot convert to GNF. So what we need to do, we need to convert left recursive grammar to right recursive, then we'll find GNF for that. So what is recursive? If same variable present at left side and right side, that is recursive. Suppose S tends to ASA, that is a recursive. Okay. What is left recursive? Suppose S tends to SA. If variable is at left side, that is left recursive. Suppose S tends to AS, variable is present at right side, that is right recursive. Same variable should be present left side and right side. If it is present left side of RHS, that is left recursive. If it is present right side of RHS, that is right recursive. Now this grammar B tends to B or A, this is a left recursive. So B tends to B or A. This is a left recursive. We need to find right recursive grammar for this same. I will explain detail what is left recursive, what is right recursive in compiler design. So just solving this question, you should know how to convert left recursive to right recursive. Let this is a grammar which is left recursive. A tends to AA or B. Now we need to find right recursive for that. So right recursive will be A tends to B, A dash. Then A dash tends to AA dash or epsilon. This is the same right recursive grammar for this left recursive. Now from this grammar what will generate? You will generate B, then A, clean closure. From A you can derive A, then again you can derive A, like any number of A, then you can terminate by B. So B, A, clean closure. Now from this grammar what will derive? From A you can derive B, then A dash. Then from A dash you can derive A dash, then A dash, then A dash you can derive epsilon. From this right recursive grammar you can also derive B, A, clean closure. Both are same. I'll explain in compiler design how to convert left recursive to right recursive. Now just use this formula for converting this left recursive to right recursive. Now here what is grammar? Grammar is B tends to B or A. This is a left recursive grammar. We need to convert right recursive for this same. We'll write B tends to, here what is terminal A, then B dash for this. Then from B dash we'll derive B dash or epsilon. Now just see there is a epsilon and epsilon cannot be used for finding GNF. So what we'll do, we'll substitute epsilon in place of B dash, we'll get simply B. And here in place of B dash, if we substitute epsilon, we'll get simply A. Now we'll get this right recursive grammar for this left recursive. Now after converting B tends to BA or A to right recursive, we'll get this grammar. S tends to AA, or in place of B, we'll just write AB dash B or AB. Before one B was there, and for B we found AB dash, so AB dash B or AB. Then A will be same, BAA or B. Then for B will write B tends to AB dash or A. Then B dash tends to BB dash or B. Now this is a grammar where every start symbol is a terminal. Now we can find GNF for this same. So here AA, that is already in GNF. Now for A, B dash B, for this B we'll consider one variable, and for this B we'll consider one variable. Just write GNF for this. From S we'll derive A B dash Y or A Y. We consider Y for B. Now for this, for A production, from A you can derive BAX or B. In place of this A, we just write X. Then B production, this is already in GNF, so just write down B tends to A B dash or A. Then B dash production, it is also in GNF, so just write down B dash tends to B B dash or B. Then new two variable to consider, one is X, another is Y, so just write down for that. From X we can derive A, from Y we can derive B. So now this is the GNF for this grammar. How to find GNF? Whatever the grammar is given, first remove the null production, then write in this format: variable tends to terminal followed by any number of variable clean closure. If at start there is not terminal, just check that production. If that is starting with terminal, you can replace, like here we replace. But if that is not possible, then convert left recursive to right recursive. Then for that new grammar, find the GNF. The grammar should be start with terminal, then only you can find GNF. If it is not start with terminal, then you have to rewrite the grammar that it will be start with terminal. Like here it was left recursive, we rewrite in right recursive, then we find the GNF. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.